So we are back on another little demonstration tonight. So this table has been spotted a couple of times in some of my videos, and this is the one that I use for my kayak at the present time, although I've just actually pulled out of decommission one of my old sort of camping, it was like a larder, like a surface with a sort of fold out. I will be using it soon on our next trip, I think, because I thought I need to sort of like use that as well. It's quite a nice little surface, but I do use this table quite often because it's a very quick put up. This is our just general like little table, small table. So if we pull up, get our quick chairs out, and want to quickly chuck some crisps, some peanuts on some end, put your drink on, this is the table that we use. So I've been on a little mission. I didn't want to sort of do this video before I could try and find a source from. So I have actually found a bit of a source on the internet, which I will, it gives you all the dimensions, the weight, and it's Euro Trail. The logo on this table is Euro Trail. You can see that there. And the story is, with this table, we actually picked this one up in Germany, down at the Erwinheimer Center, down at Bad Waldsee, while we were down there last summer. We'd been on the hunt for a little table. Our old one, we had one of previously to this. It wasn't quite as good as this, because this has got a better surface on. But the other one we'd had for a long time, and it started to get a little bit showing signs of wear. But they do get a lot of use. We use this like it's going out of fashion. We're using it all the time. So yeah, I'll quickly show you the other side of it. Look, so it's like a fold out. The legs fold out, and then you have got the leg extensions stowed away in some really nice little clips, and they screw in like that to extend the height of it, which is pretty straightforward. You know, it's a extendable kind of table. So there's two sort of like, you can have it on the low setting or the higher setting. So if you're sat, we normally have it on the higher setting. If you do, quickness, if you want to quickly throw it out on the lower setting, whatever floats your boat, there it is. But you know what I'm like for kind of quality, and I was on the lookout. I'd been on the lookout for a while, trying to find a nice little quality one, and this one actually ticked all the boxes. So there is the table, and it is just the right size for that kayak to fit on, which is superb. So in the meantime, I will throw up a screenshot, because I've literally found this company, manoman.co.uk, the camping table Santi aluminium Euro Trail, and it shows you all the features on there. It's 2.6 kilos, it's made out of aluminium, it's grey, and it gives you dimensions on there. It's actually got a 2-year warranty. Yeah, so waterproof, pretty straightforward. But and there's some nice little pictures of it there. Hey, it shows. Right, hang on, I just got to do a little correction on this video, because what happens is, in them pictures, it shows these legs loose. Okay, they haven't got the little clips in, and what I actually did, I'm going to take this out, and what I actually did from my old table, because so from the old one to the new one, this one here, it was like, where am I going to stow my legs? Because I didn't get a bag. It looks like if you buy it off this website, you will get a bag. The woman at the Irwin Heimer Centre couldn't find the bag, and I ended up with a Def Left's carrier bag. But she's given me a little bit of discount on it. I can't even remember how much I paid for it now, to be honest. It looks like they're about 40 foot. So yeah, the price is on the website. So we didn't actually get a bag, which was a little bit frustrating for me, because it was kind of like, I've got these legs, I've got 4 legs now that are kind of like rolling around loose, and it was like, that's one thing I couldn't cope with, because you know me, I like it a little bit tidy. So anyway, what I did was on my old table that we'd had for years, it had these little clips, and they're the same size legs and everything, so they just clip in. And so I drilled out the pot rivets, and what we did was I drilled this table and put some nice little pot rivets in, so it's made it identical to what it was before. So it was just a carry on, so that's perfect for me. Yeah, so we're back to as we used to do, clip the legs in, fold it all up. These have got these little small wind outy little tiny bits. I think I can't remember, I think I trashed the table, but I might have kept out of the legs for spares. But do you need spare legs? Do they ever give trouble when they got them little wind out things for the adjustment on the end? Make it a little bit leveler. But there it is, guys. So anybody that's looking, I totally recommend it, because like I say, it's a quality bit of table, well made. What are you going to do with it? So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, of that little table that we use and totally recommend. So I hope you've enjoyed the video and watch the next one. So we look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye from Mo Hotel Adventures.